Hello and welcome back, everyone. We have a cash secured put and a covered call that executed this morning in our demo account that we need to track. So let's get right to it. All right, so here we are in the Ameritrade paper trading account, our demo account, and you can see that the Marvell shares that we own 100, the cash secured put and the covered call are now both in the account working. So let's go over to the account statement so we can see the details of those transactions. Up here you got the cash and sweep vehicle statement day to day, and right here you can see where the covered call and the cash secured put have gone in and the fees associated with those, the miscellaneous fees and the commission. All right, so we had placed a cash secured put order for $1.33, and it looks like it executed 4 minutes, well, about 5 minutes after the market opened for a penny more. So that's pretty cool. And also the covered call executed. We put in a limit order for 65 cents, and it executed about a minute after market opened for 70 cents. So on both of these, we got more money than we were expecting. So that's always a good thing. All right. So now we need to go over to the web application and enter these transactions. All right, here we are on the myatmm.com website. Just got logged in, and it comes to the dashboard first. Just trying to look at our premiums that we've brought in so far, because I like to kind of get a before and after. So far we've brought in $349 for this month, and we're about to add another 200 to that, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go to cost basis. Marvell should be one of our positions, so if we filter down by positions, yep, we got that going. That's interesting. What do I have going for that? This is a demo that I did for something else. Okay, let me go back to Marvell. All right, Marvell, we have two new positions. We have a covered call and a cash secured put. Let's go ahead and just put those up on the board. Both of them are going to be sell to open. One's going to be a call, one's going to be a put. Both one contract each. And the expiration for both of them is this upcoming Friday, which is February 17th. All right, and the strike for the covered call was 46.50, and if you remember, we got that from our cost basis here. That's how we determined what the strike price was going to be that we put in, and the price that we got for that for the covered call was 70 cents per share, or $70. All right, so let's go ahead. I want to go ahead and enter the details for the put before we start clicking save. The strike price for the put was at the money, so 44.50. And if check this out, 44.50 was the at the money put that we placed this morning at 8:30. What time did it execute? Yeah, 8:34, and it closed today about 45.60. So that means that's really good. It went up in price, so off to a good start so far this week. All right, the price that we got for the premium we got for the cash secured put was $1.34, and that translates to 134. So it's $1.34 per share. All right, so let's go ahead and click save. Now, these are setting in the draft positions. As soon as I click save, they'll move to their respective group right here, puts and calls. So as soon as I click save here, it'll move down to there. You can see the number incremented, and then the put will do the same thing. Now it's in its group. If we want to see it, we can just expand it and see those positions. All right, so now what we need to do is that just put them on the board. So now they're a position in play, and we need to go ahead and record the transactions that occurred from these in the transaction history. And just by putting those up there, again, you could type in the details yourself, or I rather just hit this little helper button. And now I also have the ability to put commissions and fees in here, so it'll automatically deduct or basically add or remove the number as it needs to, so you don't have to do any math anymore. So that's everything. Keep on doing stuff to make it easier. And again, this is the demo account, so we're not going to track any commissions or fees in this. So $70, we're going to click save to add that, and then the next one is $1.34. Click save to add that. And now if we come back up here, we can look at our summary. And now you can see it went from 809 up to 1,013 so far we've collected on this one. Let's see here. So cost base is still the same. Cost basis with premium, we're down to 36.37. So we keep on driving this one further and further down. This has turned out to be a really good play here, running the continuous wheel strategy on it. All right. So that's all of our transactions tracked for this week. Let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard so we can look at our overalls. Premium so far for February is $500, and we are only about halfway through the month. So we're on target to, I mean, I don't want to guess, but at this rate, you know, theoretically could possibly reach close to $1,000 by the end of this month, but who knows what the stock price is going to do, so let's not bank on that. But in any case, hope you learned something, got something out of this. Want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out today to myatmm.com and get your free account if you haven't already. Thanks, and I'll talk to you in the next one.